Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you see, the 3D printer is working right now. It's a fast lapse recording, and that was the first thing I actually printed on the 3D printer of my brother, the Anycubic Cobra Neo. I did a small test print before where I printed this connection rod for a GoPro stand, and this one was just to actually see if the printer is adjusted well, if the lines are straight, if there's no Z shift or Y shift, and if the adhesion bed is on the right temperature, because depending on the filament you use, you have to set different temperatures. So it's a kind of trial and error in the beginning. You will have some warping, you will have some losing on from the plate, but I think I got the right setting out. Also, I realized that by leaving these open gaps here to make it lighter, I actually increase the building time or printing time by threefold. It is much easier to make it a box design like I did later. Inside the printer with the right setting of the slicing program makes a scaffold anyway, a grid, and saves a lot of filament. And by weight, this one is lighter than this one, even that it looks lighter like this, but it's 3D printing is not a solid design. Yeah, you can set it that the grid inside fills with 100%, but you can also set it like in this case 15%, so at the end this is about 2 grams lighter than this. It's not a big difference, but on bigger scale it gets a lot. So at the moment you see how the main product is printing in the background. It is a frame for my GoPro to hold. And the problem with my GoPro was always I did not have enough light when I use my GoPro. I have a ring light here around my Canon camera to record me. And now I made this, so that if I walk on my desk down here, I can record it from up and have here the LED lights around. And in this video now you see how I 3D printed it, that is going on right now down, and how I then fixed the LED lights on it. And at the end I will show some pictures how I mounted it on the wall and how it is working now. I even have a sample video of the GoPro already recorded. I'm not really doing anything, it's just for you to see how the whole thing turned out. So wait to the end, you see the finished product. I hope you liked the video. Leave me in the comments below what you think about it, and like, share and comment, and enjoy the video. What this actually is for is a ring light for my GoPro. So this is my GoPro 7. It has the same measurements like the 8 and the 9 and as far as I know the newer ones as well, but I'm not very sure. Then you can put it in here. Fits perfectly. And then I'll put LED lights around here, 2 lanes connected through these holes on the back side. These are the light channels, the wire channels, and then it goes with the arm. So this is the mounting arm. This is the last thing I printed. I even tried to change the filament color during printing. I think this light is better. It's not that bright, yes. So I even changed the color during filament. I changed the filament during the print to get a different color on it. The purple filament is a cheap one, that's also why the surface didn't turn out as fine as it's supposed to. But I'm still quite happy with it. The
all worked out. This one will be the plate which mounts on the wall. So it will be on the wall like this. Then this one is an arm. And then we have here different arms. And right now I'm printing longer ones to extend out because it's going on this wall on the side here. And so it has to be this much longer. So what we are doing now is I remove the GoPro first. I don't want to damage it. And I will start. Oh, and yeah, I can mount it here to film with the GoPro like this. Or mount it here, then the GoPro will be like this. Either landscape or portrait. So, these are the LED lights I'm using. I'll put the link, the Amazon link below. It's an affiliate link, so if you order something, I will get some money out of it. Yeah, so I can cut it here. And it will later be like this. Let's try to fix the first one. Now when I mount this when I glue them, I have to make sure that the plus is always on the same side. So I will just put it to the outside. Doesn't really matter where it is as long as it's everywhere the same, otherwise the wiring will mess up. I actually wanted to make this bigger. I wanted to make it a size of like 36 to 40, but the printer we have available at the moment prints 200, so this is 200, as in 20 centimeters. I don't know if you can hear the noise in the background. That's actually the 3D printer printing the next part for this assembly here. The longer arms I talked about before. I will add the pictures then at the end of the video. But for now this video is just about doing the installation of the LED lights. Okay, it seems like it's gluing quite well here. I was actually worried due to the rough surface here that the adhesive would not fit very well or last very well, but it seems like it's holding well. Anyway, I can only see that on the long run and see if in 2 years it's still up there or not. I built something similar in Nigeria before for the sewing table of my wife. After a while I had to put tape around here because it was losing up. I don't think this will happen here, but you never know. Future will show. In the beginning I will fix it permanently. I mean the light connection, sorry. So that all LEDs are always on, and then maybe later I'll make it with the LED, same like the ring light I have here, that I can switch on separately to have more or less light. So this one has to calm down, because after preaching I have to take good care that I do it right. I did it wrong anyway. So that should be it now. Let's check. Fine, and then it hovers here to record whatever goes on here under the table, on top of the table. Wonderful.
So this is how I built it, and it works well. I already recorded some videos with it. Following this now will be that I show you a small video of how it actually records, and at the end I attach some pictures how it looks with the mounting arm on the wall and how the office setup is even looking at the moment. So I hope you liked the video. Let me know in the comments below if I should do anything differently, if you need more detailed explanations, or if it's okay that I actually do most of it in time lapse, or if you would like to have it in a different way. Maybe you would like to have more explanations how I do the soldering or things like that. Let me know in the comments, and enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for joining in, thanks for staying that long. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.